We love Hakka to enrich your Taiwan experience. Learn about Hakka language and culture.
每天收听客家风情，学习另一种不同文化，让你生活更有趣。
In the past, instrumental Hakka buying groups would simply turn up without formal invitation to play for a family or at a temple festival. Their music was believed to generate positive energy or qi, so was always welcomed, particularly at Lunar New Year, when a performance was supposed to bring good luck and happiness in the coming year. The players were paid by the audience in the form of red envelopes or hongbao. There was no fixed repertoire or duration, and payment was not considered a commercial transaction, but was just plain good manners. Traditionally, buying was associated with happy events. Its purpose was to create a cheerful atmosphere. Buying was a spontaneous accompaniment to social occasions like weddings and celebrations of old age or 祝寿. It was also performed at religious rites like the Hungry Ghost Festival, 中元普渡, and deities' birthdays, as well as at the Hakka Yiming Festival and at theatrical performances. Its use at funerals only began fairly recently, and in Hakka communities in the Miaoli area, buying is still only used for joyous occasions.
Hi everyone, and this is our Hakka lesson of the day. I'm Joseph Lin.
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Alex Pong.
We're talking about meeting friends a lot these days, and another thing that I love to ask is your phone number. 很多时候遇到朋友要问的另外一个问题呢，就是你的电话到底是几号，尤其是女生啊，对不对？所以呢，我先问你，这我一定要拿出去用。到底要问人家你的电话是几号，怎么说 ？How do you ask what is your telephone number？
廿天花幾多號？
廿天花幾多號？廿就是 you， 天花是電話。
廿係你啦。
哦，你。啊，對，廿是你 you。Okay, 電話 that's telephone, right? 電話幾多號 What's the number? Okay. 你電話幾多號啊？
廿天花幾多號？
廿天花幾多號 You 啊 Alice 啊？
嗌啊，嗌嘅天花啊，258 48888。
I got her phone number. Wait a minute. That's ICRT's phone number. Wait, 你还骗我啊？你还是不给我你的电话是不是？
嗌電話 ICRT
我不用這個電話號碼了，我每天都打這個電話號碼啦。All right, that's it. 下次再問你好了。That's our Hakka lesson of the day, and now you know how to get a telephone number. My name is Joseph Lin.
是我太假。
俺自己總來了。
客家風情由行政院客家委員會監製，邀您一起體驗另一種不同的客家文化之美。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Commission of the Executive Yuan to enrich your Taiwan experience.